Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a hotel booking. If you are on the landing page, you could always use the search form on the header. Just make sure you are in the hotels tab. Otherwise, you can navigate to the hotels page and search for the city where you are traveling to. Let's assume you're going to East London. Select the check-in date. Let's assume it's the 22nd. And the checkout date, 23rd. Select the number of individuals that are traveling on this same trip, or the number of individuals that will be booking for this hotel room. How many rooms are you booking for? Is it 1 room, 2 rooms, 3 rooms? How many adults are booking for this particular room? And how many children? So let's assume it's 1 room and 1 adult. Okay, just make sure the nationality is South Africa and then click search. You see a list of hotels that are available for the booking date that you've selected, and for the number of travelers and the number of rooms. You could always filter your search using the star ratings. Say you're looking for a hotel that is 1-star rated. With the hotels booking, it's a little bit different from the flights booking. After selecting your filters, you need to click apply filters. Okay. So you can also filter by pricing, highest to lowest and lowest to highest. And then once you've identified the hotel that you'd like to book, click more. And then select room. You look at the rooms that are available and click book now. Once you reach this page, you select your payment method. Always remember to select pay later or pay with bank transfer. All payments are done from the cost center, and all bookings are approved by the travel manager. Okay, just make sure you select your cost center. Make sure your nationality is South Africa and the current country you're traveling from. And the name of the travelers, let's say it's Jack. Well, okay, I'm just going to use the easiest name. Agree to the terms and then confirm booking. And congratulations, you've just made a booking for a hotel room. This is your invoice. You can always download a PDF copy, or you could send it to your WhatsApp. And if you by any chance booked accidentally or made a mistake, you could always request for cancellation. All cancellations are approved by your travel manager. Okay. All right. And that is how you book for a hotel room. Your booking reference, booking ID, PNR, all the information will be included in your invoice. Thank you for watching.